As more and more Tasmanians enjoy owning a boat, it's not uncommon for this place, your local boat ramp, to become rather busy on a nice sunny day, and that means all hell can break loose. It can even lead to a thing called ramp rage, but it doesn't have to be that way if we all remember a few unwritten rules when launching and retrieving our boats. Tasmania is blessed with some of the best boat launching facilities anywhere in the country. Most ramps now have floating pontoons, double lane ramps, and can be used in all weather. It should be a relaxed atmosphere, a place to start or finish a great day out on the water, and it can be. It's all about being prepared, patient, and well practiced.
Boat ramps can become busy and you can be the subject of some unwanted boat rage at the ramp, so it's important that if you are going boating that you are a bit semi-prepared. It's not uncommon to go to popular boat ramps and see 30 or 50 trailers and all differing levels of experience, so yeah, it certainly is a popular pursuit.
Let's start with preparing your boat for launch. To avoid being the centre of unwanted attention or abuse, do this well away from the actual ramp.
Most of our ramps have reasonable areas where you can pull off to get organised. Put your car out of the way somewhere, put your family in the boat, put your esky in the boat, load all your equipment, make sure the bung's in, the power's on, your electric motors are functioning and tilting, all those little simple things, and then that way when you come to launch, you're ready to roll to get down the ramp.
Right mate, straps are off, the bung is tight, the motors, the batteries are going, they've tilted up, we've got rid of the planks of wood. Let's put her in.
Let's put her in.
Now it's time to reverse down the ramp. And with reversing, again, practice makes perfect. Use your mirrors. That's the key.
Patience. We're all keen to get out there, we're all keen to get on the water, but it is important just to take a step back. The water's not going to go anywhere, and if you see someone struggling, go and ask them, say, you okay, do you need a hand? It's always good to sort of get involved with each other and talk and try and help each other out, because we are at all those differing levels of experience, so patience is key.
And leave your safety chain on until you've got the boat in the water. Trust me, you do not want to drop a boat on a ramp. It's something that people never forget. It's embarrassing. My confidence is shot. I can't ever launch or retrieve a boat again.
Fair enough.
Or even be in a boat.
I don't think you'll be asked.
No.
To.
Moving right along. Another thing to think about is what conditions will be like at the ramp when you are returning. Some ramps around the state are more susceptible to low tides than others.
Just being conscious of how long you think your trip's going to be going for. I mean, if you're launching at a half tide and the tide is going out and you're going out for 3 or 4 hours, chances are when you return that tide is going to be dead low. You need to sort of ask yourself, is that going to be affecting me getting the boat back on the trailer? Do I need to plan my day around this ramp? Should I pick an alternative ramp?
We're in successfully. If you tie that up, I'll go and park the car and I'll park it properly. Parking is important. Many of Tasmania's popular ramps have car parks which require angle parking, and it's important to remember, one bad park can ruin it for everyone. When it comes to retrieving your boat, driving it back onto the trailer is the quickest and easiest method, but it's not for everybody. Your trailer needs to be set up for the task, otherwise just take your time and winch it on.
If you're at a boat ramp that is usable over most tidal ranges, you can definitely drive your boat on and off the trailer. It does speed things up. If you're a bit unsure, again, just come down on a quiet day. Put the boat in the water a few times, practice driving it on and off. A lot of the thing with driving a boat on and off is how your trailer's set up. So take a little bit of notice. Have you got some rear guides on your trailer to help you centre the boat up those rollers? Are they all at the right level? Are your side skids adjusted? Simple things that if you check will make driving the boat on the trailer far better and far easier. It's important to remember that recreational boating is a fun pursuit, it's a fun family pursuit, and just because that you may be the third generation boater, we're trying to encourage more and more people to get into boating, and you always have to have a start point. So getting those people into boating is important, and giving them the opportunity to learn and grow and get to maybe other people's level of experience does take time.
Remember, we're all here to have a good time, and boaties come with all different levels of experience, so please be patient. If you see someone struggling, even lend them a hand and have a great day on the water.